Hi guys, in less than 25 minutes I'm going to teach you how to place this type of trade that you are seeing on the screen. Do yourself a favor and watch the video to the end without skipping any parts. Subscribe to the channel and do not forget to comment any video you want me to do in the future. Without further waste of your time, let's jump into the video for the value. So okay guys, here I am on my screen where I want to share you how the strategy works. Okay, so if you zoom out, you zoom in, this is how the chart looks like, and this is the 4-hour time frame. And the first thing you want to do here is you want to identify the trend. That's the first thing you should do. Check the direction of the trend. So in this example, you can see that we are having a downtrend from here. Okay, from this place you're having a downtrend. Okay, so the moment the market will start going down, you have to be looking for a sell positions. Let me further go to the daily time frame to see how the trend is like. You see, coming up from the far side, we are moving in a downtrend. Okay, so having it like this, do my analysis on the 4-hour time frame. So as the market is moving down, I'll use this example here to show you. So the market was kind of moving in a downtrend. Okay, let me see if I could sketch this thing out for you. So this strategy, when you identify the trend, the direction of the trend, the next thing you need to know is look for a break of structure or a change in character of the price movement. You need to identify that first. So if you have difficulties in analyzing the markets and you would like me to do a detailed video on how to analyze the markets, please leave it in the comment section below. I believe this video will be very helpful for you if you have not found your consistency yet. I believe this video will be very helpful for you. So this is where I would take my trade. Let me pick the arrow tool so that I can use that as my cursor. Okay, all right, so let me try to zoom, make the arrow bigger. Let me make the arrow bigger. The arrow, what's the size? Okay, I think that is what we can get to. All right, so we are going to use it like this. So you see, the market created a high here, a high here. Sorry, then created a lower high here, then break this previous high and create another high, then boom, it breaks the structure here. There is a break of structure here, but I personally will not consider this break of structure for the fact that it is a minor low, but this is a major low, because this is the major low and this is a minor low. So as the price breaks this major low, I'll take this into consideration that the price has what turned and aligned with the higher time frame downtrend. Okay, then after breaking this structure here, it pulls back to create a lower high, then fails to break here but come back, create another lower high, then break this major high over here. So seeing it like this, this is what I will do. So, and one important thing that I have to let you know is the side. This is the low that the low that the price break. Okay, the price, the movement break this low right here. So, and after breaking, it break this low within efficiency. There is an impulsive move that breaks this one. So this is the type of move that causes the break of structure you need to be looking for. All right. So after seeing this impulsive move breaking the stronger, the major low here, then I'll take that into consideration. Now, getting it like this is what you should do. You should establish your point of interest. This is how I do establish my point of interest. The order block, the last opposing candlestick before the move that breaks the structure. Okay, so this is the last candlestick that breaks the structure. So I'll mark that zone. I'll mark it to the left. In this case, we are assuming price is around this place. Price is around this place, this area here. So it's now retracing to that level. Mind you, because it breaks the structure within efficiency, with that impulsive move, definitely price will come to that zone again. So after marking this, what you will do next is to scale down to the lower time frame. So we are doing the analysis on the 4-hour time frame. So we are going to scale down to the 1-hour time frame. Then let's move backward to that place. Now, so if you scale down to the lower time frame, this is what you should be looking for. A candlestick pattern that looks like this. Let me try and sketch it here. Candlestick pattern that looks like this. The first candlestick should be lower than the second candlestick high. The high of the second candlestick should be lower than the high of the first candlestick. Then the high of the third candlestick should also be lower than the second candlestick high. Okay, and the most importantly, it should break the low. The third candlestick should break the low of the second candlestick's low. Okay, that is when you are looking for a bearish setup. So get that in mind. Okay, so with this in mind, let's proceed with the strategy. So now, as price came and touches the point of interest, you'll be patiently looking for that setup, and you could find one here. Where's my cursor? Let me drag my arrow. Let me drag my arrow so that all right. Okay. So the formation, the pattern that I'm talking about here is the one forming right here. Okay, so this is it. This is the first candlestick. This is the first candlestick here, this first one, then followed by the second candlestick, which is the high of the second candlestick is higher than the first candlestick. Then the high of the third candlestick, which is this white one here, is also lower than the high of the second one. But the most important thing has break the low of the third candlesticks. This is all you should be focused on in this time frame. So after identify this, it's like this. Let me bring this one the side way. Try to indicate this move, this leg. Yeah, try to indicate it, mark it out well. Okay, you should mark it out well. Then scale down again to the lower time frame. So in this time around, we are going to go to the 15 minutes time frame. So scaling down to the 15 minutes time frame. Yes, sorry, going to the 15 minutes time frame. Sorry. Okay, we have successfully arrived at the 15 minutes time frame. I still have to go for now. So when you get to the 15 minutes time frame, what you should be looking for is an order block. Yes, an order block in that leg. So bringing out my arrow. I'm bringing out my arrow. All right, so from this leg here, see this leg here that we mark out, what is the order block? The order block here. So by the way, if you are finding a value in this video, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And you also want to help yourself but by subscribing to this channel, so anytime I drop a value like such, the one that you're watching, you'll be notified to also watch it. Okay, so and again, if you don't know what order block is, please, and you would like me to do a video about it, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. The more requests I have, the more I'll be motivated to do video about that. So this is the order block. Yeah, the one here, this blue one here. So after identifying, you can see so many order blocks. 1, 2, 3. But how do you know which one will be the best for this setup? Wait till the end when I show you how the most profitable or the higher probability order block that is set to what make the move. I'll show you at the end of the video. Now, so identifying it, we are going to just mark it like this. That we are assuming that time price hasn't got to this place yet. Price is in this range. Okay, price is in this range. So we are going to mark that one out. So what you do next is you are going to place a pending order down for the price to come and activate it for you. So you are going to place your pending order right at the tip of the order block like this. Let me pull out the horizontal line. Place it using the horizontal tool. So you are going to place your buy limit, your sell limit here. Let me copy this. So yeah, you place your stop loss above a little bit, a couple of pips above the high. Then you want to scroll down to the 4-hour time frame where you started your analysis to place your take profit. So we go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me copy this. here. My first take profit will be here, and as you can see, this is giving us about 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Then maybe you consider taking this right here, but me personally, I'll consider putting it here. Why? Because there's a strong support here. Price has rejected this multiple times. There's high chance price will break this line and continue down or return. Okay, so this is where my take profit will be. So you can also consider bringing it to this point, and price will eventually get there, since we are moving in the downtrend and establish it from the higher time frame. So you could see that price will definitely get to that place. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Okay, so this is what you could have get. All right, if you place it like this, if you put your take profits here in this line, let me change the color to green. Let me change the color to green. All right, then okay, so this is how it could have be for you. You can say insane risk to reward ratio. Right now, let me proceed to show you another example. Okay, so we are still moving in a downtrend. Okay, still moving in a downtrend. Now another analysis here. Okay, another analysis here. Price, let me bring out these two here. So this is the low. This is the low right here. So let me bring out my arrow. So I'm going to use this arrow as my pointer. So price created a low here, created a lower high, breaks this low, created another lower high, created another lower high, then finally break this low within efficiency, within an impulsive move. Bear in mind, impulsive move is a steep move, a higher momentum move that occurred in the market. So after identify this move right here, you are going to mark out your point of interest, and I have informed you in the first video that your point of interest is the last opposing candlestick for the impulsive move. So you could see an impulsive move right here. So this is how I will establish my own. The wick of the white candle, which is the bearish candle, because that's the order block here, because it's an opposing candle. If you go to the lower time frame, you are going to see it over there. Now marking it like this, then you scale down to the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now when you get to the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to look for that pattern I talked about earlier. All right, so okay, you can see the pattern has formed here nicely. It has formed here nicely. Okay, let me go ahead and sketch that pattern for you again. Let me first change the color of the rectangle. I will use this. Okay, so I'll go ahead and sketch it so that you can see. The first candlestick high should be, the first candlestick high should be lower than the second candlestick high, and the third candlestick high should also be lower than the second candlestick high, and most importantly, it should break the low of this, the second candlestick. I'm going over it, so please pay attention. This is the first candlestick. The high of it should be lower than the second candlestick high, which is this one here, and the high of the second candlestick should be also be higher than the high of the third candlestick, and the third candlestick should break the low of the second candlestick. Got it? Perfect. So let's proceed. Now we have found that right here. Okay, we are seeing that right here. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to mark out this leg after determining the pattern, the candlestick pattern that we are looking for. We are going to mark out this area with a rectangle. Okay, so just pull it and sketch it to down like this. Okay, then you scale down to the lower time frame. In this my case, I'm going to scale down to the 15 minutes time frame. Now zoom out, zoom in. There's another block right here at the tip of this. So we have this isn't an order block. This one also isn't an order block. This one also isn't an order block. This is an order block right here, and there's another one at the top. This is also another one. Earlier on, I asked you to watch the video to the end so that I'll show you how to pick the most profitable order block in this regard. Okay, so then here we go. You can either choose to use this order block, while this one is gonna make your risk pips so much that if the trade that didn't go your way, you will lose a lot. But for instance, the order block right here, this one, you can see this little bullish candlestick before the bearish move. Okay, why I consider this as a valid order block is that it creates a strong move that breaks what a structure here, because there is a low right here. There's a low right here. That's why I'm saying, if you are not familiar with market structure yet, please let me know in the comment section if you like me to make a video about that. Okay, so I'll use that order block right there. So I just place my pending order at this place. Okay, let me extend it. Okay, then my stop loss will come above it somewhere here, some pips above this. Then I'll go to the higher time frame to find my take profit level. So in this case, I'll be considering this move right here as my take profits. All right, so you see the trades will definitely play out. Okay, so bringing it here like this, stretch it to this line. Let me change its color to green, indicating that is a profit. All right, then let me, okay, so this is how this trade will also play out. So like I said, there you have it. And with this last example, let me then go to the 15 minutes time frame and show you. You could see that we have little drawdown. So in this case, if you are risking high, you are going to definitely gain high. So there you have it. Please go and backtest this strategy and let me know the results in the comment section below. By the way, if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Once I have a lot of video ideas, a lot of strategies that I will bring on board in order for you to also get the knowledge and make some profit from the forex business. Okay, there you have it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.